Freelancers on LinkedIn, if you are applying or receiving service requests through your service page on your LinkedIn profile, there is a new offer for premium service members where you can, when someone requests a service from a particular person, they can also choose to share that service request with other people who may fit the same skills. So let me just dive straight in and show you exactly where that is and how you can make yourself available to receive those service requests. So on LinkedIn, let's pretend I'm someone looking for a service. I'm looking for someone who's a career coach, and I scroll down and I can see her services. So she has career coaching, 20 years experience. So I'm going to click on request services. So tell Sarah about your project. So I'd like career development coaching, please, Sarah. Click continue. And then I'll say, I'm flexible with this, and my budget for career coaching is £250, for example. Click continue. I need some help with my career as I feel that I am stuck. Okay. Now, if you're actually going to make a service request on LinkedIn, you probably want to put a bit more information in than that, but that'll do for now. And when we click on continue, this is what we're talking about. Would you like to receive more proposals? So when I click on this, LinkedIn is going to share my project out with other people who provide services, but they have to have premium subscriptions. So when I click continue, and it says, hello, Sarah, I found your service page. And now I expect to hear a response from Sarah, but I also will be receiving messages from people who have also been invited to apply for that service. So how do you set this up on your profile? Click on LinkedIn will match you with potential clients. When clients send a request for service to a specific provider, you can choose to send your request to similar providers, which I just showed you how to do. With
yes, you did it!
To automatically receive these additional requests to help you get more potential clients. Also with Premium Business, your services section, which is a showcase, is enhanced with a preview of your services description, your ratings, and your most recent 4 or 5-star review. You can also add images, videos, and URLs to highlight projects you've worked on to give visitors an idea of what you do. But without the Premium Business subscription, the services section of your profile only shows a preview of your services description. So that's a big difference. So if I create this on my services, we click publish. Because I have Premium Business, let's see what it looks like to other people. So the About section, services provided, media, and the ratings on the profile. And requests will come in here, and client projects here, and review status. So if we look at Sarah's, is showing request services, it's showing her 5-star review, and it's also showing the feedback from a client. So that is what the enhanced services page looks like because she has got a premium account, which we can see through this gold button here. So very interesting addition. And I know a lot of you have been asking me, how do you get the additional service requests? That is how you need a Premium Business account. So good luck.